Hi, fifth grade! So today is the start of the Global Week of Math, so we're going to do some super exciting things with math today. So what we're going to do is called the Collatz Conjecture. And the Collatz Conjecture, let me back up. The word conjecture means an idea. So like in science, we have a hypothesis or a thinking statement. In math, it's called a conjecture. So today we're going to do the Collatz Conjecture. And this started in the early 1930s by a guy named Arthur Collatz. Weird, Collatz Conjecture. So what we're going to do is we are going to try to solve it because it has never been solved in the history of mathematics. And so we, as fifth graders, might be able to solve it today. We'll see. Right. So Ms. Diekman's going to help me, and I'm going to explain it to her. So the Collatz Conjecture has two rules. Okay. If the number is odd, okay, what you do is you multiply that number by 3, so triple it, and you add 1. If the number is even, you divide it by 2 or cut it in half. Okay? So Ms. Diekman, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a starting number.
Okay. My starting number is 17.
All right. What are you doing there?
I don't know. Got weird. Let me reiterate 17. There we go.
All right. So Ms. Diekman, is 17 an odd or even number?
17 is an odd number.
It's an odd number because we know it's not divisible by 2. Okay, so what are you going to do?
I am going to multiply it by 3.
Okay, so instead of going into a whole bunch of work, I know if I have 17 and 17 and 17, how many 10s do I have?
I have 3 10s.
I have 3 10s, and then I know that 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 7 multiplied by 3 is?
21.
21, and I know 30 plus 21 is?
51.
51, but then there's one more step. What do you got to do?
Add 3 plus 1.
Plus 1, so 51 plus 1 more.
Plus 21, 51 plus 1 equals 52.
Now, is 52 an odd or an even number?
It is even because 2 is a multiple of 2.
Yeah, so let's not pull out the partial quotient strategy right now because 52 is a pretty small number. What's half of 50, Miss Diekman?
25.
Miss Bach. You're Miss Bach now. So 25 and then half of 2 is?
1.
So 25 plus 1 more is?
26.
26. So now we're at 26. And is 26 an odd or an even number?
Okay, so wait, I did 52 divided by 2?
Yep.
And we decided that it's 26.
Yep.
Okay.
Is 26 odd or even?
26 is even.
Even, so let's cut it in half.
So I do 26 divided by 2 is 13. Because I know that 13 plus 13 equals 26.
All right, so even or odd?
It's odd.
Odd. Okay, so we have to multiply 13 by 3.
13 by 3, that is 39.
Mm-hmm.
Times 3. Well, that's 39.
Plus 1 more.
Plus 1 is 40.
Okay. So now we're at 40. Even or odd?
It's even.
Okay.
Wait, are we going to keep going forever?
So the goal is to try to find a number because Collatz had this idea, this conjecture, that every single number, no matter what number you try, 1 to infinity, will always end in 0. Okay, so he states that you will eventually get to 0 no matter what. Okay, so our goal is to try to find any number that doesn't get us back to 0. So if you somehow end with a number that ends at 1 or 5, I don't know, any of the numbers that you can figure out how it doesn't get back to 0, congrats, you solved the Collatz Conjecture. And so as Ms. Diekman's going, she's at 10. She knows 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then we're back to odds. 5 times 3 is 15.
I can't stop, Mrs. Beeler.
Yeah, so now you're at 16. And then 16 cut in half is 8. And then I'll tell you that the sequence now goes 8, 4, 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 0.
Oh, okay, so I'd still be working for a while. It would take more than 1 page.
Yeah, it's going to take a lot of pages.
Cool.
So we are going to just get our brains working, and we're going to do the Collatz Conjecture today.
Sounds like a good time.
To celebrate the Global Week of Math.
Math dance party.
I hope you guys are able to solve it, or at least do some really cool thinking today, and I'm super excited to do it alongside of you. So,
have fun today, fifth graders.
Yeah!